So now let's see how we can work around with the Pagecurl effect inside of GIMP. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around onto the filters menu right here, and then I'm going to go around over here onto distorts right here. And over here you can see that Pagecurl is an option. So once I go around and do that, you can see that I can go around and choose upper left, upper right, lower left or lower right here. And you can have shade under the curl as well. And you can make sure that the curl is horizontal or vertical from over here as well. So now you can see a preview around over here, small preview. So now if I were to go around and press OK, you can see the curl effect right here. And the color right now is the foreground and the background color, as you can see. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here and then apply the curl effect again. So if I were to go to filters right here, and then if I were to go around over here onto let's say for example distorts right here, and then onto Pagecurl, then what happens is that this opens up, as you can see. If I were to go around over here onto current gradient, let's say for example, and choose let's say lower right here, right here, and if I were to press OK, then you can see that this is what you have. And that is how you can apply the Pagecurl effect inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.